Hello. As my students know, I'm Dave Barrington, Chair of the Plant Biology Department. This is my message to the plant biology majors in the College of Arts and Sciences who are graduating this year. I've had the great good fortune to have all of you in 2 of my courses this spring. Thank you for being part of the most unusual and challenging teaching situation I have ever been in, and congratulations to you for coping with the complete upheaval in both my courses and in your entire life. Most especially, you're somehow living day by day into the spring, likely without what you usually count on as the basic elements of existence. This spring has been, more than ever, one in which I have been at one with the plants that you and I have both espoused as our discipline of choice for study. I've celebrated the bursting forth of new life from the hidden shoots that wintered down in the earth and up in the trees, bud by bud, flower by flower, and most especially, of course, being me, fiddlehead by fiddlehead. Once again I will say it, and you will go, there he goes again. The subdisciplines of plant biology as a science fall together as I walk, wondering at the development of the leaves, the daily events to provide the energy and materials to build these new structures from such tiny beginnings so rapidly, the place of each of these fine living things in the landscape about them, and their long history of species and lineages here in our forests. These things you now own. You can take credit as a person knowledgeable about the fundamental nature of plants, having completed your degree in plant biology at UVM. Thank you so much for sharing your time and resources to be with us these years. You have enriched our lives and our community of teachers and scholars with your presence. Good luck in all you do, and most especially with the plants, and may you prosper in whatever you choose to do.